Did you know that Svalbard is home to more polar bears than people? That's right. This Norwegian archipelago is an icy wilderness that's more popular with polar bears than humans. Stay with us as we reveal the magic of Norway. 1. North Cape adventure to the ends of the earth, where the sea meets the sky and where the sun never sets during the summer months. Welcome to the North Cape, or as it's known locally, Nordkapp. Located at the very northern tip of Norway, this destination feels like the edge of the world itself. Perched on a plateau over 300 meters above sea level, the North Cape plunges dramatically into the Arctic Ocean. From its steep cliffs, visitors are often left in awe of the sweeping views of the infinite sea and sky. At the top, you'll find the Nordkapp Visitor Center, featuring exhibits on the area's rich history and wildlife, along with the iconic Globe Monument, a symbol that you've reached Europe's northernmost point. Also on site is the tranquil chapel of St. John, which holds the title of the world's northernmost ecumenical chapel. If you visit during the summer, you'll be treated to one of the planet's most extraordinary natural phenomena, the midnight sun. The sun never sets, casting the landscape in an enchanting perpetual twilight. Alternatively, brave the cold winter months to witness another stunning spectacle, the Aurora Borealis. Thanks to its northern latitude, the North Cape is one of the best places in the world to experience the mesmerizing dance of the Northern Lights. 2. Jotunheimen National Park. Nestled in the heart of Norway, Jotunheimen National Park is a paradise for adventure seekers, nature enthusiasts, and those yearning for the tranquility of towering mountain peaks. Covering over 1,151 square kilometers, this park is home to Northern Europe's tallest mountains, Galdhøpiggen and Glittertind. These snow-capped giants, towering over 2,000 meters, offer stunning panoramic views and some of the most exhilarating hikes. For those with a sense of adventure, the park features an extensive network of trails, ranging from leisurely walks to demanding climbs. Whether you're a seasoned mountaineer or a casual hiker, there's a route here to match your level of excitement. Jotunheimen is also a haven for wildlife lovers. As you explore the park, you may have the chance to encounter reindeer, elk, foxes, and a variety of bird species, including the majestic golden eagle. The park's beauty is not limited to its towering peaks. Among its treasures are the emerald waters of Galdvåg Lake, as well as countless other rivers and lakes, perfect for fishing or boating adventures. 3. Ålesund. With its unique Art Nouveau architecture, Ålesund often feels like a town straight out of a fairy tale. After a devastating fire in 1904 destroyed much of the old wooden city, its reconstruction led to the charming, uniform Art Nouveau style that defines the town today. No visit to Ålesund is complete without exploring the Art Nouveau Center or Jørgen Stilson Turret. These attractions offer a fascinating dive into the town's architectural history and even feature interactive exhibits. Ålesund isn't just for architecture enthusiasts. It also boasts one of Northern Europe's largest saltwater aquariums, the Atlantic Sea Park, Atlanterhavsparken. Here, you can observe marine life native to the region, from playful sea lions to charming penguins. For the ultimate view of Ålesund, a climb up Mount Axla is a must. After ascending 418 steps, you'll be rewarded with a breathtaking panorama of the town, its surrounding archipelago, and the majestic Sunnmøre Alps. This view perfectly captures why Ålesund is known as the adventure capital of the fjords. From this vantage point, you're ideally situated to explore iconic spots like the UNESCO-listed Geirangerfjord and the pristine, rugged landscapes of Jørundfjord. 4. Stavanger. Nestled on Norway's southwestern coast, where the fjords meet the North Sea, lies the picturesque city of Stavanger. Full of vitality and surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, Stavanger captures the true spirit of Norway. The city's lively harbor offers a warm welcome, where modernity blends seamlessly with history. Here, fishermen dock their boats alongside contemporary art and innovative architecture, creating a unique atmosphere. A short stroll from the harbor brings you to Gamle Stavanger, the historic old town, where cobblestone streets and well-preserved wooden houses transport you back in time. Known as Norway's oil capital, Stavanger's influence in the petroleum industry is showcased at the Norwegian Petroleum Museum. For a dive into the city's rich history, a visit to Stavanger Cathedral is a must. Dating back to the 12th century, it's the oldest cathedral in Norway and stands as a monument to the city's deep historical roots. Just a ferry ride from Stavanger is one of Norway's most iconic natural landmarks, Pulpit Rock. This towering plateau overlooks the Fjord, offering some of the most spectacular vistas you'll ever experience. 5. Oslo. Welcome to the heart of Scandinavia, Oslo, Norway's dynamic and ever-evolving capital. This vibrant city offers the perfect blend of urban excitement and outdoor adventure. At first glance, Oslo impresses with its lively modern skyline, featuring hotspots like Aker Brygge, a bustling waterfront district ideal for shopping, dining, and soaking in the scenic seaside views. Oslo's innovative spirit is beautifully reflected in its architecture. The city's crown jewel, the Oslo Opera House, with its sleek, angular design, appears to rise seamlessly from the fjord. However, Oslo is not just about forward-thinking design. It treasures its rich history. World-class museums preserve its heritage, such as the Viking Ship Museum, where you can marvel at exquisitely preserved Viking ships and ancient artifacts that transport you over 1,000 years into the past. Art lovers will be captivated by the Munch Museum, a tribute to the life and works of Edvard Munch, Norway's most renowned artist, famous for his masterpiece, The Scream. And don't forget the Nobel Peace Center. Dedicated to promoting peace and understanding, this interactive museum offers an inspiring glimpse into the lives and achievements of the Nobel Peace Prize laureates. 6. Geirangerfjord. Our next destination is one of Norway's most enchanting locations, the stunning Geirangerfjord. Situated in southwestern Norway, near the coastal town of Ålesund, Geirangerfjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and ranks among the country's most popular tourist attractions. Geirangerfjord is renowned for its spellbinding beauty. Surrounded by towering snow-capped peaks, cascading waterfalls, and lush greenery, it's a true natural wonder. One of the highlights is the iconic Seven Sisters Waterfall, or De Sju Sistre in Norwegian, gracefully tumbling down the cliffs of the fjord. And what's the best way to experience this scenic marvel? By taking to the water. Whether you choose a sightseeing cruise or an adventurous kayaking trip, Geirangerfjord has something for everyone. Imagine feeling the cool spray from the waterfalls as you paddle through the emerald green waters, an experience that's nothing short of magical. To wrap up your visit, don't miss the Flydalsjuvet viewpoint. From this vantage point, you'll be treated to a breathtaking panoramic view of the fjord, a sight that's sure to leave you in awe. 7. Svalbard. Svalbard is a Norwegian archipelago located in the Arctic Ocean, roughly halfway between mainland Norway and the North Pole. This rugged region of glaciers and tundra is a haven for Arctic wildlife. It's not unusual to encounter polar bears, reindeer, and an array of seabirds thriving in their natural environment. For those seeking adventure, Svalbard offers one-of-a-kind experiences, such as dog sledding beneath the northern lights or venturing into mesmerizing ice caves. And when it comes to the northern lights, Svalbard's proximity to the North Pole makes it one of the premier destinations to witness this breathtaking natural wonder. Svalbard also plays a vital role on the global stage with the presence of the Global Seed Vault, a critical project dedicated to preserving the world's crop diversity for future generations. Longyearbyen, the northernmost town in the world, serves as the heart of life in Svalbard. Despite its isolation, this lively community surprises visitors with its museums, art galleries, and even a selection of gourmet restaurants. 8. Tromsø. Next on our journey is a city that brings you to the threshold of the Arctic, Tromsø. Often referred to as the gateway to the Arctic, Tromsø is located over 300 kilometers beyond the Arctic Circle. This enchanting city boasts stunning natural scenery, a deep historical legacy, and is a prime destination for Arctic adventures. Surrounded by fjords, towering mountains, and scattered islands, Tromsø is the largest city in Northern Norway. Its city center seamlessly blends historic charm with contemporary design. Bustling restaurants, cozy cafes, and unique boutiques create a vibrant Arctic urban experience. One of Tromsø's most notable landmarks is the Arctic Cathedral. With its striking triangular roof and grand facade, this architectural marvel, built in 1965, reflects both the icy Arctic landscapes and the warmth of the local community. As the sun sets, Tromsø unveils its most magical feature. The city is renowned as one of the finest places on Earth to witness the Northern Lights. It offers the perfect mix of energetic city life and serene, dark spots ideal for enjoying this awe-inspiring celestial display. But Tromsø's natural wonders don't end with the night sky. The surrounding region is a treasure trove of Arctic wildlife. From thrilling whale-watching excursions in the nearby fjords to reindeer sledding across snowy landscapes, Tromsø is a haven for unforgettable encounters with nature. 9. Bergen. Welcome to Bergen, the gateway to Norway's Majestic Fjords, a captivating city steeped in history and encircled by remarkable natural beauty. With its colorful wooden buildings, lively harbor, and dramatic mountain scenery, it's no surprise that Bergen is a top destination for travelers worldwide. Let's begin our adventure at the heart of Bergen, the renowned Bryggen. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a beautifully preserved historic wharf dating back to the 14th century. Stroll through its narrow pathways and admire the vibrant structures that now house unique boutiques, art studios, and inviting restaurants. Just a short walk from Bryggen lies the dynamic Bergen Fish Market. Here, you can indulge in the freshest seafood while soaking up the lively atmosphere. It's more than just a market. It's an authentic experience. Next, take a thrilling ride on the Fløibanen funicular, a favorite among visitors. In just 8 minutes, you'll ascend to the summit of Mount Fløyen. The journey is delightful, but the panoramic view from the top is truly unforgettable. Pause to take in the sweeping vistas of Bergen and its surrounding fjords, perfect for capturing those Instagram-worthy moments. However, Bergen isn't just about breathtaking scenery. The city is a vibrant cultural center. Explore the Bergen Art Museum, visit the home of composer Edvard Grieg, or wander the streets to admire colorful murals that reflect Bergen's artistic soul. 10. Lofoten Islands. As we explore the stunning landscapes of Norway, one place captures the imagination with its extraordinary beauty: the Lofoten Islands. Nestled within the Arctic Circle, these breathtaking islands combine rugged mountains, tranquil fjords, lively seabird colonies, charming fishing villages, and expansive wave-swept beaches. Life on the Lofoten has long been intertwined with the sea. For generations, Norwegian fishermen have called these islands home, their iconic red rorbuer cabins scattered along the coast, enhancing the area's distinct allure. But there's more to Lofoten than its maritime roots. Adventure seekers will discover a hiker's haven among the island's dramatic peaks, offering both a thrilling challenge and panoramic views. When night falls, the enchantment deepens. The Lofoten Islands rank among the top destinations globally to experience the mesmerizing Northern Lights. Reflected on the calm waters, their celestial display leaves an indelible impression. Wildlife enthusiasts will also find their dreams fulfilled here. From majestic white-tailed eagles soaring above to orcas and humpback whales navigating the icy seas, The Lofoten Islands showcase nature at its rawest and most awe-inspiring. If you liked this video, make sure to click the like button. Keep the fun going by clicking on the suggested video on the screen.